Here we go. Today we're California Penal Code. We're doing 1382. This is also a very lengthy one, so I'm just going to read the parts that are appropriate. So, 1382A, paragraph A. The court, unless good cause to the contrary is shown, shall order the action to be dismissed in the following cases. 1. When a person has been held to answer for a public offense and an information is not filed against that person within 15 days. 15 days from when you were held to answer, which is when they wrote your ticket. Paragraph 3. Regardless of when the complaint is filed, when a defendant in a misdemeanor or infraction case, and then it goes on about 30 days, but that doesn't apply because that's when they're in custody. So it says, in all other cases, within 45 days after the defendant's arraignment or entry of the plea, whichever occurs later. So that means they have to try you within 45 days from your arraignment. Paragraph A of that same thing says you can do a general, and this is something you're never going to do, and I don't even know why they put these things in the law. Paragraph A. So, an action will not be dismissed under this subdivision if any of the following circumstances exist. So you will not be dismissed if you do any of these. And paragraph A is the defendant enters a general waiver of the 30-day. Never waive your time. Never, 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 never waive your time. A general waiver of the 30-day or 45-day trial requirement entitles the court to set or continue a trial date without the sanction of dismissal should the case fail to proceed on the date set for trial. So you never want to waive time unless it's in your game plan and it's possible to get a benefit for that. Paragraph C, if the defendant is not represented by counsel, the defendant shall not be deemed under this section to have consented to the date for the defendant's trial unless the court has explained to the defendant his or her rights under this section and the effect of his or her consent. That's important. There's another one that I'm going to read later that says if you don't have counsel, even if you pled or waived time, it doesn't count. If you want to know what this means or understand how you're supposed to use it, or how to put it together in a defense or an attack against the prosecution, you got to go to our site, CaliforniaTicketBusters.com, and learn the secrets on how to put this recipe together for a surefire win.